Look no further than the 2020 Ford Expedition. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Go big, go bold, go beautiful. This rugged and luxurious Expedition delivers full-size SUV capability, premium amenities, and the latest driver assist and infotainment technology, all wrapped in a sleek, modern package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start. Your family deserves the best. Give it to them when you bring home this magnificent Expedition. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.